हेलो गाइस, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ग्लो अप टुडे। मैं बहुत दिनों से गायब थी बिकॉज लाइफ ने कुछ क्रेजी ही कर दिया था मेरे साथ एंड आई हैड टू गेट ओवर थिंग्स इन माई लाइफ एंड जस्ट बाउंस बैक। एंड एज यू कैन सी आई एम डूइंग प्रीटी ग्रेट, नॉट सो ग्रेट बिकॉज मेरा यूजुअल फेस चल रहा है बट this too shall pass. And I don't know, I was randomly like sitting and then I got this idea, like, let's talk about glow up because I have given myself the biggest glow up in my bloodline, literally. And let me just share some tips and some things that I've done to myself to give myself a glow up without any surgery, because this face, it has never been under the knife. So yeah, let's go. And I just want to let you guys know that मैं यहाँ इसलिए देख रही हूँ because like the reflection of my camera is coming here, so I have to look at myself that how I'm looking so that I just don't change my mind regarding uploading this video. So yeah, let's go. And one more thing, any product that I mentioned in this video is like non-sponsored. I don't think so I've reached that level in my YouTube that कोई मुझे sponsor करे, but like if any brand is watching, you're open to sponsor me. And let's go. Let's start with body because as you know I have pretty amazing body. Yeah, so everything I have done and all the little hacks I use in my life to, you know, achieve the body I have right now. First, workout. I mean, it just shouldn't sound so surprising because workout is really important and you should never skip workout. I try to hit like 4 days a week gym, but I think over the time मैंने इतनी consistency gain कर ली that I cannot live without gym. मेरा gym Monday को बंद रहता है, so I try to hit minimum 4 times a week, but usually I go 5 times. और अगर मुझे घर में रहने का मन नहीं है तो 6 times. I was a vegetarian for 1.5 years, but then this was my body while being a vegetarian and this is my body now while being a non-vegetarian. Vegetarian, मेरा protein intake पूरा नहीं हो रहा था and I tried all the veg sources of protein but like it was leaving me all bloated and मेरी body नहीं बन रही थी. Instead of like gaining, because मेरा aim था gain करना because I was really skinny and as you can see muscles really suit me. मैं completely satisfied नहीं थी अपनी स्किनी बॉडी से, सो आई बिकेम अ नॉन वेजिटेरियन. आई टेक वे प्रोटीन. कभी कभी अगर मेरा खाना कम खाने का मेरा मन होता है तो आई टेक वे प्रोटीन ट्वाइस अ डे. अदरवाइज मैं दिन में एक बार वे प्रोटीन लेती हूँ अपनी बॉडी के लिए. एंड you can take, like previously I used to take protein, whey protein from Avatar. I think they are great, I think they are amazing. मैं पहले flavored लेती थी, अब मैं unflavored लेती हूँ because like I want to take everything clean. And ऐसा नहीं है, मेरे भी cheat meals होते हैं, but मेरा न्यू फाउंड ऑब्सेशन है रामेन. आई लव रामेन. आई हैव दिस वन. If you're from Kolkata and if you're from South Kolkata, you must have heard about Shio, this restaurant. So उनका एक grilled chicken ramen आता है. Whenever I want to have a cheat meal, I order that grilled chicken ramen and उसमें eggs होते हैं, prawns होते हैं and बहुत सारा chicken होता है. So I don't have to worry about कि मेरा protein intake कम हो जाएगा because उसमें protein रहता है. The only thing I have to worry about is the maida in the noodles, but it's a cheat meal so चलता है. I don't starve myself, honestly. For me personally, I have a very small appetite and मेरे जो बॉडी का मेटाबॉलिज्म है वो बहुत हाई है. That's why I was struggling so much to gain weight. But there are so much supplements that you can take that helps you gain weight. Just go to any nutritionist. I won't suggest you any such medicine because like I had taken a syrup that helped me develop an appetite and now I'm off the medication since past 8 months. मैंने वो medication 2 महीने तक लिया था. It's like a syrup. My nutritionist has given it to me क्योंकि I was struggling to develop an appetite because from so many years I only ate थोड़ा खाना. So when I wanted to build an appetite, that medicine really helped me. You can like ask any of your general physician or doctor, a certified doctor of course, not a Bhola Chap one, to give you that sort of medications. And just don't be on those medications for very long. I was on it for 2 months. It helped me a lot. It helped me develop an appetite. उसके बाद when I was off the syrup, मैं नाक बंद करके खाना खाती थी because like I am a very picky eater. And मेरे साथ एक चीज़ है, when it comes to diet, I only eat like same meal every day. I eat chicken breast twice a day, twice like lunch and dinner chicken breast, and 4 eggs a day for breakfast and evening snack, whatever. So this is like the consistent source of protein for me, and मैं यही खाती हूँ रोज बिना बोर हुए, because I don't want to lose this body, and कभी भी मुझे cheat meal खाने का मन होता है, I just order that ramen. So that's for the body. One more thing for the body, your gut is really important. Like प्रोटीन इज़ ऑब्वियसली लाइक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है हर एक इंसान के लिए, बट प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ योर गट, बिकॉज आई वॉज हैविंग सो मच फूड एंड सो मच प्रोटीन एंड एवरीथिंग, आई वॉज ब्लोटेड ऑल द टाइम एंड आई वॉज नॉट लाइकिंग इट. आई hate being bloated, honestly. And because my gut was like so I started getting a lot of pimples on my face. So it's like a recent thing I'm telling you. मेरे फेस में बहुत सारे पिंपल्स आने लगे थे, and I tried, like you can see in my background, there's so many skin cares and everything, but nothing was working on my skin, and I had to visit a dermatologist, like my dermatologist, and I told her that mere skin ke pimples clear nahi ho rahe, and I have a hormone tracker. I track my hormones every month, so like everything seemed fine, like, and I didn't seem to have a hormonal imbalance, but she's like, maybe it can be related to your gut. Can you like eat fibers? I was like, okay. Then I realized that how important fibers are. I started taking isabgol. याद है ग्रीन वाला, मैं पिक्चर अटैच कर दूंगी, मैंने ब्लिंकिट से मंगाया था. आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग isabgol, guys, my skin started clearing up so fast, and I started waking up with a fresh and clean tummy. And then I realized how important your gut is for you to look good, because मेरे बाल कम झड़ने लगे, because my tummy was not getting clear. I don't know how it was affecting my skin. I started getting so many pimples back to back. I was bloated the entire day, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता था. Since I started taking isabgol every morning, so every morning you wake up, you're supposed to have a lot of water just after waking up. So what I do, I don't drink water from my bottle. I just walk to my kitchen. मैं एक चम्मच isabgol घोल के मैं पी जाती हूँ पूरा एक ग्लास, and it just gives me the cleanest tummy ever, and my day just goes so well. And I started to have clear skin, and I started to feel happy, less bloating, less tummy pain, and what else can a person want? As you know, I'm a brown skin girly, of course. So I used to have so much hyperpigmentation in my body, in my hands. अभी तो काफ़ी कम हो गया है. Sorry, यहाँ है कैमरा, यहाँ मैं भूल जा रही हूँ. So I used to have a lot of hyperpigmentations in my hand and in my feet, and in different body parts. I cannot name here. So for the hyperpigmentation, I use hydroquinone, 2% hydroquinone cream. That was also given by my dermatologist. I apply that every night in like the different parts of my body, and I have been using it since like past 9-10 months. And I have seen visible results from. You don't have to like order it from like big brands. I don't know वो offer करते भी है या नहीं, but like you can just get it from pharmacy, Apollo, hydroquinone. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, I'm so sorry, but like get 2% or 5%. If you can start with 2%, 2-3 महीने उसको यूज़ करो. I think बहुत कम प्राइस है उसका, 120 या 150 रुपये प्राइस है. 2% हाइड्रोक्विनोन से स्टार्ट करो, एंड देन यू कैन लाइक इवेंचुअली यू कैन लाइक गो टिल 5% हाइड्रोक्विनोन. बट मेक श्योर अगर आप किसी भी लाइक विजिबल एरिया पे लगा रहे हो, डोंट अप्लाई इट ऑन फेस. डोंट अप्लाई इट ऑन योर फेस. अगर फेस में आपके दाग धब्बे हैं, यूज वेरी जेंटल प्रोडक्ट्स, बट फॉर योर बॉडी यू कैन यूज हाइड्रोक्विनोन. When you're using hydroquinone, suppose यहाँ पे या कहीं भी, so make sure the next morning you're applying sunscreen, because अगर आप sunscreen नहीं लगाओगे तो वो जगह और ज़्यादा pigmented हो जाएगी, because it makes your skin very UV sensitive. Secondly, weekly I do AHA BHA chemical peel in my home. So ordinary का एक AHA BHA chemical peel आता है, मुझे उससे better chemical peel आज तक नहीं मिला. I use it weekly on my hands, on my feet, and on different parts of my body weekly before taking bath. And मैं उसको 15 मिनट रख के, 10 से 15 मिनट रख के I just take a bath. That has worked so well. Eventually आपको लगेगा कि नहीं कुछ नहीं हो रहा, but like you have to be consistent. हाँ, एक दो टाइम में रिजल्ट्स नहीं दिखते, 6-7 महीने यूज़ करना पड़ता है, 2-3 डब्बे खाली करने पड़ते हैं, तब जाके रिजल्ट्स दिखते हैं. And do use that. It works guys. Don't use it on your face again. Don't use it on your face. Use it on your body, on your like hands and feet, and don't forget sunscreen the next day. And give me the reviews. It works like magic. It has worked for me. Like see my hand. I don't know. मेरे पुराने मैंने हाथ के पिक्चर्स लिए नहीं, but like I'll show you my hands here. अगर मेरे पास मेरे हाथ के पिक्चर्स पुराने होंगे, so I'll just attach, and then you can see the results, like the difference. Then comes to the face. Like let's talk about face now. This face card, like how I achieved this face card, and how I've given myself a glow up over time. Because first I would say like weight gaining has helped a lot, because like this is my face now. So when I was skinny, I think मेरा face भी बहुत slim था, and I used to have like good jaw and good chin, but like I really like this face because like it's more chubbier and cuter. I don't want to go back to my old face, even though I used to really like how I used to have a glow. I used to have a jawline and good chin shape back then. But like because like I did not have any face fat, मेरा nose बहुत broad लगता था. Now that I've gained weight, it has started to look smaller. But like I never had a surgery. I never had a nose job. I just use a very big chashma to give an impression that I have a tiny nose. It's not true. I do have a big nose, but yeah, I love wearing big glasses. So if you have if you have a broad nose and if you are like insecure like me regarding your nose, you can like wear big glasses and it will give impression that you have a tiny nose. And apart from that, facial massages has really helped me. I cannot explain. Like I was 19 and I used to feel like my skin is sagging. Maybe because like my body did not have the nutrition that it needed that time for it to make my face glow, but now it glows like anything. And I think apart from nutrition, there's one more thing that has helped me. That is face massage. I'll just show you. I have something. I used to use a gua sha before, but eventually I went to a doctor and she told me that don't use gua sha, it's just too harsh for your face. So I saw this. I was influenced by an influencer, like a foreign influencer, and she was promoting this. I took a picture and searched on Amazon and I just found it at a pretty cheap price, like an Indian dupe. And I think it costed me 350, 400, I don't know, ऐसे कुछ price था. And it's just so gentle. It feels like nothing. It feels like, but it gives you like good amount of pressure in your face. That requires for you to do your massage. I use this to massage my face every morning, and if I'm not able to do it in the morning, I do it at night. And it really helps. मेरे फेस से पफीनेस गायब हो जाती है, मैं थकी थकी नहीं लगती, and you know it just makes a difference. Secondly, what I do is like collagen powder. Duh, it's really important. Have your collagen, guys. Like if you're a woman and if you're a girl watching this, please have your collagen, because I realized that females have 30% less collagen as compared to men. So as you age, you're losing collagen at a faster rate as compared to men. So have your collagen. Don't use like this collagen sheet mask and it has collagen and your skin absorb. Don't. Like even if I promote it, don't. Just मान लो कि मैं झूठ बोल रही हूँ. Because your skin cannot absorb collagen. You will have to consume collagen. Like you will have to drink collagen. So just get a collagen powder from a trusted brand and have your collagen every day. You will get that glass skin. You will see your skin clearing up. First is your gut, second is like having your collagen. You will see your skin clearing up, you'll see you glowing every day, and it's the best feeling in the world. Like who does not want clear skin, and who does not want that skin elasticity and plump skin? Because like I have better skin right now than I had like at the age of 18, 19. I was a teenager with a bad skin. Like jabki as a teenager I did not used to break out. Now I even break out. But I still feel I have so much better skin. Not because I'm using expensive products, because like as soon as I started making money, I started pouring my money into expensive trash. I am very mindful with what kind of skincare I'm using. Majority of my skincare is like pharmacy skincare. But I think collagen has made a big difference in my life. And each one of you, no matter if you're a guy or a girl, you should have your collagen every morning. What I do, I mix my collagen with my protein powder and I just have it. So I'm just consuming 2 supplements at once. I asked my nutritionist, he said it's safe, so I guess it's safe. And I'm having it since so long, so you guys can also have it. Don't sleep on collagen powder, guys. I'm telling you, it can give you the biggest, like the most softest skin. It will take time to show you the results, but like once it does, you cannot live without collagen powder. आपको लत लग जाएगी. You'll be like, I have not taken my collagen. You get it. Since past 1.5 years, I stopped spending on body washes. Because I switched to soaps. Guys, trust me, nothing cleans your body like soaps. I use that 30 rupees wala Dove ka soap every day and it leaves my skin squeaky clean. And when I come out of my shower, I smell so good, and there's just not a single drop of sweat or smell anywhere. But when I used to take a bath with body washes, I used to start sweating, या फिर मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मेरी body properly clean नहीं हुई है. But since I have shifted into soap again, like मेरा traditional Dove का soap, I feel like it leaves me so clean, and I don't have any fancy body washes there. I use like this Parachute ka coconut oil in my body. Previously I used to do that. Now I've shifted into that organic cold pressed virgin coconut oil. I don't use body lotions. I only use like that sunscreen spray from Skin Inspired. You can just find it on Nykaa. It's just so convenient, guys. I love that brand. I use that body sunscreen spray every day religiously, and you can see my skin. My hand skin is like as good as like my face skin, because like I don't skip sunscreen even for my body. Whenever I'm leaving for the gym or anything, I use that Skin Inspired ka 80 plus SPF ka body spray, and it really helps. Don't sleep on sunscreen. Sunscreens are like make it like an addiction for your body. Don't skip sunscreen. It has everything that your skin needs to glow and to stay alive. You can think like that. Now I have my skincare box right here. Why do I have my skincare box? Because I need to show you that you don't need expensive shit to stay beautiful. So this, I don't know if any of you need it, but like me personally, it's like the most essential part of my life, because I get a lot of mouth ulcers. I don't know why. I drink so much water, guys, but I still get a lot of mouth ulcers. Like whenever I'm traveling or anything, I end up getting so many mouth ulcers, and it just, so there's one thing, if you get mouth ulcers, it gives you a bad breath, and this treats your mouth ulcers like in a day. So see, I don't know how to show. Yeah, this particular tube, I always carry it with me. So make sure if you have mouth ulcers, just keep it with yourself. You can just apply it like in your ulcers, and it will treat it like in a day. If it's so bad, if it's really bad, it will take 2 days, but like it treats it, and I love it. Coming to the moisturizer, guys, I have tried so many expensive moisturizers, but like this is something that has worked for me. Yeah, I have came back to Nivea, and I have like really dry skin. I have super dry skin. I used to use a very expensive moisturizer, but like it was not as good as this. I love this, guys. I cannot stay without this. Like I'll just show you. See, मैंने almost खत्म कर दिया. ये मेरा चौथा डब्बा है moisturizer. I use this to moisturize my skin. I think nothing is better than this. If you have very dry skin, use Nivea. No, Nivea has not sponsored me, but I would really appreciate a sponsorship. Then, in my night time, I literally use a diaper rash cream. I apply diaper rash cream on my face. If you don't have AC in your home, don't apply diaper rash cream, because like it can clog your pores. It can make you sweat a lot, because diaper rash cream, this is zinc oxide diaper rash cream, but ये क्या करता है, if like you're applying it in a very hot environment, it will clog your pores and it will give you acne. But if you sleep in a cold room, or if you have like AC in your home, then you can apply it at night. Sabha, you will wake up with baby soft skin, and it's just so good. If you're applying this, don't apply your moisturizer. Just apply this like a face mask. I think itna sa kafi rehta hai, like a face mask in your face, and just sleep, and you'll wake up with the most softest skin you've ever had. See, I told you I will never recommend something expensive, but this is one expensive thing I cannot live without. That is Laneige ka sleeping mask. I have used Laneige ka that tube lip balm, but it did not work out for me. I really have really chapped lips, and it's so irritating. But like this, I think ये मेरा 7वां या 8वां purchase है. I have emptied, I think, अनगिनत dabba of this Laneige sleeping mask, and this is really good. I think this one product from Laneige is really worth all your money. Like, save your money and invest in it. If not, then you can go for Boroline. Personally, मेरे होठों पे Boroline भी काम नहीं किया. This is the only thing that has worked on my lips, and I will really recommend it throughout my life. I don't know if I can live without it. Okay, lastly, let's talk about hair. As you can see, I have beautiful hair, and when I was a teenager, I went through a lot of health issues. So what it did, because of taking so many medicines in a short time, I almost lost all of my hair, and I had to cut my hair into a bob. So for a very long time as a teenager, I had a bob. Now I have hair that's long. It's curly right now, and I've also like braided it, so it's not lamba, but it's like long. I'll attach a picture somewhere. What has worked out for me, I will not recommend you if you have any pet or if you're pregnant. Just don't use it. But like if you don't have any pet, and if you're not pregnant, and if you're like losing hair to an extent कि आपको लग रहा है कि आप गंजे हो रहे हैं, then you can like start minoxidil. Minoxidil has such a bad PR, guys, because it has worked really well for me. I saved my hair from death by using minoxidil. I was using minoxidil. ऐसा बोला जाता है that if you start using minoxidil in your hair, you will have to use it for lifetime. But like in my case, I am off minoxidil since like past more than a year actually. But मेरे केस में ऐसा नहीं है. I don't lose hair anymore. Maybe because मेरी diet fix हो चुकी है, मेरी sleep cycle fix हो चुकी है, that's why. But if you are losing a lot of hair कि आपको लग रहा है कि आप गंजे हो रहे हो, गंजापन दिख रहा है, go on minoxidil. Like start your minoxidil journey. Along with minoxidil, derma roll your scalp. मैं अटैच कर दूंगी derma roller यहाँ पे, कहीं भी आपको पता चल जाएगा कि चीज़ क्या है. Start with 0.5 or 0.75. Derma roll your entire scalp twice a week, and then apply minoxidil every night before you sleep. Every night minoxidil. And if you're somebody that's like, you're like, okay, you're facing mild hair fall, then you can use a good hair fall serum. For me, if you want to go for like some convenient serum, then आप Wishcare का एक hair fall serum उन्होंने launch किया था recently. That is really good, guys. That's really good. I use a different serum for my hair issues, but like I have used that Wishcare का serum for 3-4 months and it's really good. So you can purchase. मैं यहाँ पे कहीं भी picture attach कर दूँगी. You can find it anywhere like Wishcare का, and it's very like affordable. It's $630 or something for 30 ml, I guess. So you can use that every week, like not every day, Wishcare का serum. And still अगर आप Wishcare का भी use कर रही हो, please derma roll your hair. And मैं आपको एक hack बता रही हूँ. If you have like really long hair like me, shampoo your hair twice a week. If you have shorter hair, or if you're a man watching this, shampoo your hair 3 times a week. So there's this hack I'm going to tell you about. I think it's very known, but like if you don't know, listen to this. Shampoo your scalp. Don't shampoo your strands because it will dry your strands and then वो strands टूट के गिरने लगेंगे. So shampoo your scalp just everywhere. Just shampoo your scalp. अपने बालों से अब ऐसे करो that आप अपने scalp से गंदगी निकाल रहे हो, because that is what shampoo is for. Don't stop using that hair fall shampoo and everything. Shampoo का काम है clean करना. Just use any convenient shampoo. I have used Head and Shoulders for a very long time. I think Head and Shoulders is really good. And it will even like if you don't have dandruff, just use Head and Shoulders or Pantene. These two are really good shampoo brands. Just use any of these two shampoo and scalp पे shampoo करो. When you're about to wash it, just bring the shampoo down slowly. Just scrunch all your hair together for a few seconds, shampoo your hair, and then wash it off. Don't shampoo your strands. While you're washing off, just bring it down to your hair. That's all. Conditioner, don't put it on your scalp. You will start losing hair if you put conditioner in your scalp. Conditioner your strands like this. Hair length, yeah. Condition your hair length. Don't put conditioner on your scalp. You will start losing hair. That's all. It's that simple, guys. And use less heat. Like don't use a lot of styling products. Whenever I curl my hair, I do heatless curls. Even though they I have literally all the styling tools, but I just don't like using heat on my hair because मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है, because I have given so much effort for like my hair and for it to grow this long and to be this healthy. I don't want it to, I don't want to lose my hair because like मुझे थोड़े time के लिए अच्छा दिखना था. I just use heatless curls or heatless ways to do my hair. And if I want to straighten it, I just have Dyson. So occasionally I use my Dyson, otherwise मैं heatless curls करके रहती हूँ अपने बालों में. That's all. You don't have to like at the end मैं ये बोलूँगी that you don't have to overcomplicate your सेल्फ केयर रूटीन. मैंने जितने भी एडवाइसेस दिए, इट्स लाइक पार्ट ऑफ माई जर्नी. इसमें से आपको जो भी ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ मैं ये चीज़ अपनी ज़िंदगी में इसको अडॉप्ट कर सकता हूँ एंड आई कैन लाइक यूज़ इट, देन यूज़ इट. Just don't overcomplicate things for you, and just you don't have to like take all of my advices and just सब कुछ ऐसा नहीं कि सब कुछ छोड़ के आप अपने लुक्स पे ही ध्यान दे रहे हो. I think there is so many things that happens in your life, and some people are really busy. Me as a creator, I find myself slightly privileged कि मैं self care पे इतना ध्यान दे पाती हूँ, and also it's like a part of my work. A part of my work is me looking my best, and yeah, that's all. All I would say that everything starts with what's inside you. So make sure you're healing yourself from inside. Make yourself confident, because once you start feeling confident from inside, then you will automatically start working on yourself. Because if you have insecurity, no matter how much efforts you're putting on yourself, how much money you're putting on yourself, at the end you're gonna see what you want to see in the mirror. So make sure you love yourself, and I hope कि मेरी advices आपके किसी काम आए, and I will see you soon in my YouTube channel. Bye bye.